Hey guys, how's it going? This is Nathan and
Riley.
We're here to do an unboxing of brown sugar cookies. So this is the box that it come in.
Looks really nice.
Really nice box. Gold, black, white stripes. I like it. What your mama told you about correcting grown folk. Alright, so it came 2-day shipping, so it came pretty fast, so pretty stoked about that. Let's take that off. Ooh. So first things first, we have a thank you card. It says, spread love, it's the Brown Sugar Way. Thank you, congrats on your podcast, enjoy your cookies. How sweet. That's dope.
The bubble wrap.
Ooh, got some nice bubble wrap. I actually got a dozen of the macadamian nut. So, Briley, do us so honest and open it up for me, please. I can see the nuts in it right now. Pause. Oh, look. Look how cool. That is super unique. Guys, she's actually made our logo on top of the cookies, which is like super cool. Go show your mom one. Okay, I like that. That's some good advertising right there. I like that. So I got a dozen of these, and they come individually wrapped to, I believe, two to a piece. So pretty cool. And yeah, thank you, Brown Sugar Company. I cannot wait to enjoy these cookies. Really like the sticker. It's a nice gesture.
Did you get a chocolate chip?
Till next time.